So question is, if x raised to y is equal to e raised to x minus y, then show that dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x whole bracket square. So what is the given? X raised to y is equal to e raised to x minus y, taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides. So log of x raised to y is equal to log of e raised to x minus y, taking log on both sides. We know the rule, log of a to the power x is equal to x log x. What is the rule? Log of a to the power x is equal to x log x. So log of x raised to y is equal to y into log x is equal to log of a raised to x is equal to x log x. This is a rule, log of a to the power x is equal to x log a. So log of e to the power x minus y is equal to x minus y into log e. So y into log x is equal to x minus y. Log e is a 1. Log e is equal to 1. Remember, log e is equal to 1. That's why do not write log e as a 1. So y log x, shift this minus y to left side. This becomes plus y, which is equal to x. So take same terms as it is. So what is a common here? Y is a common. Y into, here is a, what is a coefficient? 1. So 1 plus log x into x. So y is equal to x upon 1 plus log x. So shift this into denominator. So we have to find out dy by dx. What we have to find out? Dy by dx. So differentiating both sides with respect to y. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x upon 1 plus log x. So how to differentiate this? That is the question. So how to differentiate d by dx of x plus x upon 1 plus log x? We know the rule, d by dx of u upon v. U upon v. How to find out? Numerator upon denominator form derivative, d by dx of u upon v. V as it is, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator, minus v as it is, derivative of u as it is, dv by dx upon denominator square. So how to remember this rule? D by dx of u upon v. U upon v. V as it is, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator, minus u as it is, dv by dx upon v square. So apply this rule. So how to apply? D by dx of, what is the denominator? 1 plus log x. So 1 plus log x as it is, derivative of numerator u, that is x, minus u as it is, that means x as it is, derivative of v. V means 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x upon v square. V square means 1 upon log x whole bracket square. So how to find out this derivative? We will see here. So 1 plus log x as it is, I will take here bracket, d by dx of x. D by dx of x is equal to 1 into 1 minus x into d by dx of 1, constant terms. What is the derivative of constant? 0. So d by dx of 1 is a 0. D by dx of log x. D by dx of log x is a 1 upon x. What is the derivative of log x? 1 upon x. Remember, derivative of log x is a 1 upon x upon 1 plus log x whole bracket square. So 1 plus log x into 1 is a 1 plus log x minus this x will cancel out, remaining is a minus 1, which is equal to 1 plus log x whole bracket square. So this 1 minus 1 0, what will be remaining? Log x upon 1 plus log x whole bracket square, which is equal to dy by dx, which is equal to dy by dx. So we have proved that dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x whole bracket square. So we have to prove this, dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x whole bracket square.